Moltres from Moltres promotional deck kind of thing. And I got 3 packs in it. So I'm going to open one every day and one on Christmas. Which, by the way, I'm going to make a vlog on Christmas. And so I think we should start by opening my very first Steam Siege with a shiny Mega Gardevoir. Yes, I know my shiny Pokemon now. I've been studying a lot. Here we go. Moltres, use Fly, if it can learn that. Alright. Transition Cut. Moltres, use Transition Cut now before I make another mistake. Alright, so now that we've got Moltres to use Fly, here are the Pokemon we got. Apom, Yanma, Sneasel, Litleo, Nosepass, Drifloon, Nidoking, oh yeah, that's awesome. Ninja Boy, yeah, they didn't give him a name. Clang, and Braviary. So those were some pretty good cards. Come back tomorrow and on Christmas Day to watch me unwrap, I'll just call it unbox these. They're not really in boxes though. Anyways, see you all later. Bye.